swear, I think I have a death wish doing this. I really do. But I want the shot. I wanted to stay in South Rapids. It would not be possible. We've got CGs in the area. They're coming down on this rain front. I'm up here on Skyline. Do not do this at home, folks. We've got positive CGs. I think just hit that over there by the towers. I'm not getting out of the car. Forget that. Just gonna stay in the car. Hope for the best. Prepare for the worst. As far as the lightning. This thing has got some structure to it. It's moving towards, this has got to be warned. They're going to need to warn this. Please warn. I don't know why they're focused so much on the, I mean, it did pop up pretty good on the radar that stronger echoes from the southeast of Sturgis, and that would include areas near Piedmont, but this storm is also mean business too. It's probably carrying small hail, so South Rapid, new warning. That's what I was waiting for. Come on, whoa, look at that rain shaft come out. Look at that. And that's where that's us. That's where you could see lightning come down. Strong CG. West Rapids, yep. Moving. Jeez, this thing is coming down. What's my escape plan? That's what I'm thinking right now. Oh, this is going to be interesting. Crazy, it's crazy, it's crazy. Look at those rain shafts hug that hillside. Crazy. What a rain front there. Rain, hail, probably. I hear the roar. Jeez! Forget the time lapse. Just video this. It's gonna be a big bolt. I just know it. Freaking out right now. I'm up on the hill. I'm up on the hill. Oh crap.
This is a radar indicated threat.
Look at that. Damage to vehicles is expected. Oh, that's intense. Rain-driven, wind-driven rain. They can hear a little bit of a roar. Or is that not a roar, but like a... Hold on a minute, I'm going to study this. Look at that! Incredible! It's kind of like a microburst event, but I mean, it's probably some downbursting. What a show! Yeah, I hear a roar or something. Woo! Man, I have never seen a rain front that hard, that defined, and it's right there. If I can got this on there, okay. Wow, look at that! Insane, insane, insane. Marching literally through those. Wow, this is crazy. I'm using my camcorder here. That's a steadier shot of those. Wow! Lightning is off to the north, so here it comes. Jeez, this thing is. There is wind. It's wind driven. Wind driven. I hear it. It's coming. It is coming. It's going to be in about less than 5 minutes. What a show! What a sight to see! Amazing rain shafts, hail shafts. The scud. Look at the scud pop. Just like that. See, that just there's the dynamics. It just shows you how fast that scud forms off of rain-cooled air. Those are those sloppy kind of clouds. They're all fractus. Wow, look at that right there in the corner. Holy smokes. I've never seen that. I've never been on the edge of a the rain burst, basically. Holy smokes. That is a rain burst. That is intense. Wow, that's a line of hail, a line of heavy rain coming right at me here. It's headed towards Highway 16, guys. You need to take cover. That would include hail in this too. In these two individual, cells, not cells, but rain shafts. Damn it, I'm doing like 100 things at once here. I want to get the shot though. This is crazy. Insane. Look at that. Wow. Literally on the edge of the rain shafts and hail shafts coming right now. What is my escape route? I don't know. It's coming at me here. Got hail on the west side of Rapid City. I don't know what to do right now. I'm gonna get clobbered. I know that. I should probably book it like soon, like real soon before the hail hits me. I hear the rain. Insane! Listen to that roar. A little bit of a roar. Just more of that wind. All right. It just made that ding. I'm out of here. Damn it. Escape plan. Got to get the hell off this roof. Or, got to get the hell off of this. Stay with me. I'm going to try to. Stay with me here. I'm going to try to get the hell out of its way. Yep, here we go. Whoa! Here we go! Woo! Gotta go. Gotta get the hell out of here before I take my car out. Small hail. Here we go. Right now it's small, but it's gonna get dinged. We're gonna get dinged! Get the hell out of here. Fuck! I'm doing this again! Get myself in trouble! That's the price you gotta pay! The storm chase, baby! Woo! It's getting bigger! Why in the hell is that person going? Ask myself the same question. Holy shit! Time to get off this hill! No! Hopefully it doesn't get too big until I get down off this stuff. Woo! Damn it. Right now it's peace guys though. Highway 16, Moon Meadows. All of you, take cover now. I just knew it. The hail would be South Rapid this time. I gotta get out of here. I don't know if I should head south or head south. I'm gonna head south. I need an escape route. Need to get the hell away from this thing, or it's gonna crack my windows. Just ahead of it still. Just ahead of it. Come on, come on, come on. I got a chance. I got a chance. I got a chance. Run it to Catron. Run it to Catron. Hell, I'll go to freaking Rockerville if I have to get the hell away from this thing. It's going into Rapid now. I can look behind me. It's in Rapid. West Rapid. Everyone that's up on Skyline. Ugh. Stay put for 1 freaking minute. Jeez. I'm trying to work with this. Ah, shit! Yeah, you want to book faster than that, dude? That's dangerous driving. Got a Jeep behind me that's trying to floor it. Don't sit there like a duck! Move! This service guy needs to get... Service... here we go. This is where everyone's going to start freaking panicking. Here, Highway 16. 4th of July. 4th of July traffic out. Got out ahead of it slightly here. Let's see if I pull over and see what's up. Got out in the nick of time. See if it's going to come at me or is it heading towards the... close call there. Hold on a minute. Let's see what's going on. Where is it? Oh shit! Still right there! There it is! There it is! Holy smokes! You're looking directly at it! Man. Can't get a break on that freaking focus. Live feed sucks in that part. There it is. Oh! That's not good. I want to take a picture of. Here it comes. I need to. Yeah, I shouldn't have even made a pit stop. Let's go. Gotta go. Let's making a beeline this way. Gotta go. Get out of here! Move it! It's still pea-sized hailing me. And the wind. There's the wind. You want to go slow? I'm going fast, dude. Everyone's going. Here we go. What's open? Oh, no. Head over to Moon Meadows now. I can get ahead of this damn thing. Escape route. Catch on. Go, go, go. Bear with me here. I can't. Got some drivers going crazy right now. Head south if you don't know where you're going. Don't be a sitting duck. And you're a sitting duck. Got out of its way for now. Wow. And got out of its way. And a better perspective of this, I know where to go. It's a pea-sized hill mostly, okay, but now I see the base. And so I thought it was turning right. It's actually going towards Rapid Valley. So my options are really don't want to go back into town on this thing. Take a look over here by Moon Meadows. If I go on towards 79, I'm gonna get smacked. Look at these people now. They're gonna head right into some pea-sized hail. Bear with me here. Thanks for joining me. This is quite the day already. Had some early storms. We're gonna get some main storms later out of Wyoming. This ain't over yet, folks. Far from it. Severe thunderstorm warning surround Got a good base over there, off to the left of me. Got to get on a good overlook. I really want to try to catch this thing out towards Rapid Valley, but if it's going to spew out just a bunch of freaking hail, it's not my forte to get banged up like this. This car's still suffering from last year's hailstorms in the northern hills and down by Hot Spring. So, severe thunderstorm warning right now, still for Rapid City. That storm, I swear the one on the west side was going right. That means it was going further southeast, but it looks like it's heading towards Rapid Valley. Wow, it's got scud and everything. You look off to the left in just a minute here. I'm getting to a vantage point. I like this vantage point coming up soon. It's only 3 o'clock. We had earlier convection usually kind of takes the energy, but it's so muggy out, even with the temperature at 63 degrees apparently. Oh, there's another storm, another cell popping over there off to the southwest. We'll take a look at gander at this. I'm getting away from skyline right now. That's all I'm trying to do. Well, escape route here. Probably a good thing it did not turn to the right, because if it did, then I would have had it all driven all the way down to Rockerville, because it would have, and then raced that way, because it would have been basically taunting me the whole time. Okay, yeah, there's a pretty nice storm cell over there. Area right here. Definitely got a nice undulations. Again, it's hailing itself out. See, these things are a little bit more messier than yesterday's storm bases. They are, I love this over here. That was a close call up there in Skyline though, but here we go. There it is, right there. Boom! Right there, right in the... That's the hail shaft and the scud and everything else. Nice. Got nice structure there. Yeah. A lot of rain cooled. Got myself out of another situation, thank God. Crazy. Now, it's still kind of messy. You got undulations in the clouds. This is what I have to point out. That might be some good news, but it won't mean severe clear yet. Off to the west, undulations now. Now I'm looking at this over here. Got the wind. That's an interesting one too. So we're gonna have a new hail area right over there. So that's gonna be a Rockerville. Right there, that's Rockerville right there. Area. Highway 16, you're next. Good morning. Real nice though off to the east. Coming out of this hailstorm, cool out flow of down in the 60s, pretty chilly actually. That rain cooled air is now it's being shot off towards as an upslope trigger basically because of the new cell over there. I would expect a new warning to be issued for this cell while you're looking to the southwest. And then look over here on this. Look at that hail shaft though. That is incredible. That's time lapse. That'd be time lapseable, but I mean, and then the undulating, it's not a shelf cloud, it's just the base rolling, kind of a, almost like a asperatus wave kind of cloud there, which kind of indicates stability, not instability. Turbulence more than anything. Darn it, this would be a good. South. I'm still thinking about Hermosa though. Looks like good. White sheath right there, that is Rapid Valley underneath it. So you got large hail just dropping from that height. That's going to cause damage. I did not want to chase that. Forget that. Chase the hail shit. that's all hail. That's a hail shaft. Large hail, up in the Raptor Valley. Would I want to chase that? No. Yeah, that wavy cloud there, yeah, that's this. Behind you there too. It's rounded here. hail shaft still going. So anyone who's underneath that is getting pummeled, basically. That's sad because that's Rapid Valley and also toward regional airport. It's getting pummeled right now. No, I don't want to chase that. I'd rather just stand back and be in awe of the dynamics that I'm seeing. I just see it right now. It's just incredible motion in the atmosphere right now. There's wave clouds all over the place. Just right above me is wavy mammatus, even right above my head, like right here. All this wave cloud, and it's intersecting into a new storm cell, elevated cell, but it's not. I don't think it's, well, it could be strengthening because I'm seeing a more defined texture to it. Was watching this one. This must have felt an outflow and cut it off. And this one is got leaning towers. As this storm cell now continues heading away, now I might go catch up with it over on 44. But I'm still right now just in awe of this outflow. Scud looks messy, but it's still defined. It has an axis right above me right now. Right above me. This is nuts. Making it very picturesque. Stratiform, though. There's more turrets there popping up there, but they're still leaning. And all this stuff started earlier from 1 p.m., just as the models indicated. We still got Wyoming to deal with. Now there's a lot of rain cool there. You can even see that scud. Low stratocumulus. Wow, look at this. Look at this texture on this. Yeah, the temperature dropped 63 degrees. I'm just gonna sit tight. I'm not tracking no hailer. Forget that. Sit tight. A nice little overlook here by Moon Meadows. I love this one. It's a good spot. Thunder over us. It's all thundering out. Nah, it's probably not severe. These cells behind them. Elevated. There's a little stratocumulus. Cloud deck has formed. What will that do for later on as these storm cells are outflow dominant now? Outflow dominant. The updrafts are cut off. I kind of want to do like a. Oh, look off to the. Ooh. Off to the south, we got the rain curtains coming down here. Rain curtains are coming down from the upper part of the low levels. These are high. Those are high showers there, high base showers. So the atmosphere has now become messy. That's some good news, but it can reload in the sunnier spots, and that would be the southern hills. Because Rapid City got hit, northern hills have hit. And now we're just seeing these wavy cloud patterns. Stratocumulus undulatus is what it's called. things change, there'll be new updates. I need to look at the radar anyway, but thanks for joining me. For right now, we should be fine. Areas east of Rapid City, so that's an hour by Computer and Farmingdale. It just mattered the crap out of Rapid Valley, probably. Well, we're looking at Stratus Undulatus. Ooh, the CG. So this is a storm cell here too. It's elevated. It's got a lot of outflow to deal with. Rain cooled air, but it is trying to coalesce into something. All right, up. And then make the thunder the finale, the finish, the ending of this live feed. As I will probably just sit tight and figure out what to do next. Look at that that's a scud. Still it gets helical motion like this way. Nothing to worry about. That's typical of severe storm environments. So. Oh yeah, that's neat. Definitely got some interesting rolling and churning of the atmosphere now after that came through. The dynamics of the weather. All right.